Hi everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen my previous videos. In case you are not seen, please go through it. Dear students, in this video we discuss question number 15, exercise 3.3. The question is like this: prove that cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x equals cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. Here we have to show that on left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have to show that both sides are equal. Okay, here we take left hand side. So left hand side is cot 4x, cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. Okay, so here this is a sum of the two sine functions. So here we make use formula sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d equals 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Yes or no? So here that is equal to, you write cot 4x as it is, sin c plus sin d equals 2, you put bracket, sin c plus sin d equals 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. Yes or no? Next, that is equal to cot 4x into 2 into sine. Here we have 5x plus 3x, 8x. 8x divided by 2 is 4x. Yes or no? Into cos 5x minus 3x, 2x. 2x by 2 is 1x. So this is equal to, you write it as that is again I am going to write here cot 4x as cos 4x divided by sine 4x into 2 sine 4x into cos x. Sine 4x get cancels, so that is equal to 2 into cos 4x into cos x is left over. This is equal to left hand side. Now we consider, you call it as 1. Now we consider right hand side. Right hand side is cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. Okay, next here for this is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Here I am going to use formula sin c minus sin d equals 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, that is cot x into 2 into sin c minus sin d equals 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x divided by 2, that is equal to cot x into 2 into cos 5x plus 3x 8x. 8x by 2 is 4x. Okay, next into sine 5x minus 3x 2x. 2x by 2x, 2x by 2 is 1x. Next, that is equal to cot x, cot x into 2 sine, you write here this 2 here, 2 cot x into cos 4x into sin x. Next, 2 into, you replace cot x by cos x divided by sin x into cos 4x into sin x. Sin x get cancels. So that is equal to 2 into cos x into cos 4x. Here just to observe comparing 1 and 2, we arrived 2 cos x 4x into cos x. Here also we got it 2 cos x into cos 4x. Here comparing 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are same, yes or no? Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So from 1 and 2, left hand side equals right hand side. Hence the result. Okay, I hope you got it. Yes or no? Thank you for watching.